Accidentally nuked a crucial TikTok message and now you're sweating. Don't panic, because this video is going to show you exactly how to potentially recover those deleted messages. First, launch the TikTok app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where the messages were deleted from. Next, tap on the profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the upper right-hand corner. Tap on this icon to open the Settings and Privacy menu. Scroll down the menu until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to access TikTok settings. In the Settings and Privacy menu, find the Privacy option and tap on it. This will open the privacy settings for your account. Scroll down, almost all the way to the bottom, and you should find an option called Download Your Data. Tap on it. This is key to potentially retrieving your deleted messages. You'll be presented with a screen where you can request your data. Choose either TXT or JSON as your file format. JSON is generally preferred as it's more easily readable on computers. Now, tap on the Request Data button. TikTok will begin compiling all the data associated with your account, including, hopefully, your deleted messages. Switch to the Pending tab at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see the status of your data request. This process can take a few days, sometimes up to a week, so be patient. Once your data is ready, you'll receive a notification from TikTok. Return to this section, and you should see a Download button next to your data request. Tap on it. The downloaded file will likely be a zip file. Locate it in your phone's file manager or downloads folder and extract its contents. Open the extracted folder, and you'll find different files containing your TikTok data. The file containing messages is typically named similarly to messages or direct messages. Open this file with a text editor or a JSON viewer. Search for keywords like messages, conversation, or the name of the person you were messaging with. While not guaranteed, you might find your deleted messages within this data. Keep in mind that TikTok might not store all deleted messages indefinitely. The success of this method depends on how long ago the messages were deleted and TikTok's data retention policies. Good luck.